My name is Morgan, and today we're going to do the last, and yep, you may or may not have noticed that I actually switched the position of my light, so it's up here now. Like way up at the top, instead of way down here. So yep, we're going to do the last step of how to solve this, which is PLL. So remember we did cross, then we did F12. So put that in. And I have a couple things to announce. Because back then I didn't know this, so I'm going to do something real quick. If you have one in place, you hold it out and you go R, U2, R, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R2. So you put it in. And then you may have it facing, when it's down here facing you, you hold it out and then you mirror it. So U2, R, U, R prime, U prime, R or L, U2, 2, then we did OLL. That. The last step is PLL. So I usually do it in a couple steps. So PLL is done. So first one what I might run into is that you have this case. When you have these two, you go and that's that. And you have another one when you have these two are swapped and these two are swapped. If you do, you go there you go. Next one is this one is when these two need to be switched and these two need to be switched. So what you do is you go R, there you go. So yeah, and then you have when this is solved and this one needs to come here, this one needs to come here, this one needs to come here. You need to hold out in the front, and then you do this, and you turn it whichever way this one needs to go. So, and then you rotate it, turn these ones down, bring them back up, turn it, put it back up. This one is the opposite. You see, this one needs to come over here, and it needs to go this way. So you kind of adjust like that. Okay, what's another one? This one, when these two need to be switched and these two need, if you like this, you don't just do it. You find one here, whatever color this is, they should be opposites on each side. So you need to hold it like this. There you go. And this one is when you have, then these two are flopped and these two are flopped. You could do this one and then do this one if you want, but this one's a lot quicker. You go like that. Okay. Yep. Now I have a couple more. Is when there's a bar here and a bar here. It'll hold it like this. Bring this one up. And there's another one. It's kind of like that. But you mirror it. It's when there's a bar on this side. You go. There you go. I wonder if there's any more. Let me think of this. So,
are you going to your sister's practice or just the older group?
just the older group. Okay. So, let me think here. Yep, I remembered one. I better hurry up or else this video is going to be too long. So, it's when one corrects here, these two are incorrect, these two are the same color, and they hold it like this. And then, there's another one, we just mirror it. These two are incorrect, these two are the same. There you go. That's your immediate method on how to solve it. If you like this, smack it, poke it, punch it, or click it, take an apple, smash the like button, take a hammer, smash it, do whatever it takes to smash the like and subscribe button, and I'll see how you do in the next video.